Are imported inverters stalling your solar projects? Stop compromising. Experience the power of truly Indian technology. Designed and manufactured entirely in-house for the toughest Indian conditions. We offer world-class efficiency with local reliability. From 1 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt, our BIS and BEE certified inverters come with smart IoT monitoring. We will be presenting our complete solar range at RenewX Expo 2026. Meet our experts and witness how we are redefining reliability with dedicated local support and unbeatable performance. Join us at RenewX 2026 in Chennai from 27th to 29 April 2026 at Chennai Trade Center. Hall H1, Stall C51. Let's build your next solar project together.